Ushago. As you can see, I'm around the niko karibu na mto, yeah, where the bees are being kept. They are just next to the stream. Yeah, I'll be bringing you some full videos. So guys, if you haven't subscribed on my YouTube channel, please do so that whenever I post any video you'll be notified. Yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So niko huku hivi. I hope these bees won't hasa ni chapo mshale. Yeah, I'll be showing you through all these things here. I hope mta enjoy. You can see behind me there are those bee stuffs ziko na nyuma yangu. Alafu hapa hivi, like I said earlier, kuna a stream where we used to go and swim when we were kids. Bee farming, beekeeping. So guys, I'll be bringing you a full video about this, and I hope you enjoy. So here I'm at my grandma's place. Yeah, niko Shanks here in Kakamega County, and I felt like let me show you because they are practicing bee farming here. So I'll try and look for some more questions and more things, informative things about bee farming here, so that I can also share with you. I haven't done any inquiries about the honey harvesting, so probably I'll wait for my grandma to come, then niongee naye tuambie 1 2 3, because wakisha harvest I've seen there are those two tins where they pack the honey, by then they do even sell them. So yeah, I'll be sharing more information with you, and I hope. I'd said at this place we used to come and swim here when we were still kids. You know, like our childhood memories were so nice. We used to spend most of the time huku hivi coming to swim. I know those people have experienced that feeling, they know it much better. So we used to come and swim hapa hivi. At the same time, we used to come and wash our clothes. This place here, we just come and wash our clothes. After washing our clothes, then we go and we bathe. Bathing was through swimming. Yeah, this place, we had so wonderful memories here. Tulikuwa na those perfect memories. Hapa hivi we used to be so many kids. Tungekuja tu huku hivi ama tunasema maybe we are coming to wash the clothes. Immediately we are done washing the clothes, then we just know after that it's time for us to swim. Yeah, we used to swim a lot. But this wasn't the only sport here. We used to have several sports. This is just one of the sports that I'm able to show you as of now, because I can't go to that other part. Right now this place vitu miti zimejaa, and it looks like a forest, so I can't risk going there. Maybe naweza nikaumwa na nyoka. So guys, I hope you are really enjoying my video. Yeah, but right now so many things have changed. The first spot I've shown you, that's where we used to go and swim most of the time. Then there is this other second spot here. I hope my voice is audible. Then we used to have this spot here, but it has really changed. We used to come also here. Yeah, like literally tulikuwa tunatoroka nyumbani